Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create animated backgrounds for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Next, add a new layer from the Graphics and Titles menu. Choose a new layer with a rectangle shape. Make the shape cover the written text layer. From the Effect Controls panel, move the text layer above the shape layer so that the text is visible over the background layer. After moving it, make the necessary adjustments. Change the color and set the opacity between 80% and 90%. Preview the animated background by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text with a dynamic animated background. Now, you can create animated backgrounds for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you found this video helpful.